It's an unfortunate fact. Bodies break down. Your own body, right this minute, is breaking down in one way or another. Even if you feel healthy, the fast-paced lifestyle most of us call normal can lead to major health problems. The reason bodies break down is that over time, cellular communication breaks down. True health means having healthy cellular communication, cells talking to each other. The question is, are you doing your part to keep your cells talking? If you're not sure, you need to hear about a revolutionary product scientifically shown to affect the way our cells communicate. How do our cells know what to say? Genes tell them. This is how your body receives communication for life-sustaining instructions that keep you alive and healthy. ASEA REDOX keeps cells talking with redox signaling molecules.
ASEA is dedicated to performing the highest quality science in the field. This study was of the highest scientific caliber, utilizing the Torrey Laboratory, which is an expert in genetic testing. What's important and very interesting about this study that's been performed is that the 20 to 31% changes in gene transcription activity is a real difference between folks taking saline and those taking the ASEA REDOX at 8 weeks.
ASEA REDOX is the first and only supplement on the market scientifically tested and shown to signal the activation of genetic pathways and to affect genes that improve immune system health, help maintain a healthy inflammatory response, help maintain cardiovascular health, improve gut health, and modulate hormone balance. ASEA REDOX is the breakthrough that interrupts the breakdown. This patented product is the reason that tens of thousands of people have experienced wellness in a way they hadn't before.
I was first introduced to ASEA about 6-7 years ago. I've had some pretty serious health challenges, and I noticed immediately that first night I slept much better. And I woke up refreshed with an energy level that I hadn't felt in quite a while. My last visit with one of my doctors was, I see no reason why you shouldn't live well into your 90s.
There's been so many steps in my life where ASEA has helped with so many different things, and it just consistently has helped my health. It's been really amazing.
I just think it's so important to the whole world to know about ASEA and what it can do for everyone. We just seem to sail through life with, better health than we ever have. It's the biggest thing that's ever happened to me.
And so I know it's helped my body to normalize is what it did, I think. I believe in it wholeheartedly. I'm afraid not to take it if you want the truth.
And I went to the doctor to get a physical in December, and my cholesterol numbers are amazing. My triglycerides are so low that my risk factor for heart disease is minimal. I will never not take this product. It gives me goosebumps to talk about it.
Are you done with the breakdown? Reach for the breakthrough. Drinking ASEA REDOX every day is a simple thing to do to keep your cells talking and allow you to experience the vitality of true health and wellness.